Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we're going to discuss another OSINT tool named called Swagger Spy. It's an automated OSINT on Swagger's Hub. So a Swagger's Hub is a platform for an API. So you can explore inside that one any type of API. So what is a Swagger? Swagger is an open source framework that allows a developer to design and build a documents and consume a RESTful web services. It simplifies the API development by providing a standard ways to describe REST APIs using a JSON YML format. So Swagger enables a developer to create interactive documentations for their API, making it easier for both developer and non-developers to understand and use the API. So why wasn't it on Swagger Hub? Performing a wasn't on Swagger Hub is a crucial because a developers in their persist of efficient API documentations and sharing may inadvertently expose a sensitive information. Here are some reasons why OSINT Swagger Hub is valuable. It's like developer oversights. Developer might unintentionally include a secret credentials or sensitive information in the API documentations on Swagger Hub. These oversights can lead to a security vulnerabilities and unauthorized access if not identified the address is promptly. And security best practices. So OSINT on Swagger Hub help enforces the security best practices and identifying and rectifying the potential security issues. Early development life cycles is essential to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availabilities of APIs. And we also look at preventing a data leaks by systematically scanning a Swagger Hub for sensitive information. Organizations can uh, proactively prevent a data leaks. Is especially a crucial in today uh, interconnected digital landscapes where APIs plays a vital role in the data exchange between services. So API means the best API platform is like Alchemy and some other platforms. So even you can try on that one, not only in the Swagger's Hub. And risk mitigation and compile and privacy and educational opportunities. That's it. Now let's get started. So first open the terminal. You just type as git load and paste the repository Swagger Spy. Now just type as c Swagger Spy. Swagger Spy. I just type list. So first install the requirements. Now just type as Python 3 setup.python. Okay, so just type sudo su, enter your password, Python 3 setup.python install. Now let's look here. Install. Sudo apt-get install Swagger Spy. So unable to install. So now just type exit. Now just type clear list. So now you would like to run this a Python 3 Swagger Spy.python. Now here we got it here. Now you can test anything else like a usage with a Python 3 is Swagger Spy.com. Spy there you would like to test like any one of the targeted website. Like which targeted website you would like to test as like you just test like aws.amazon.com. Now let's see here. Found 556 URLs. So where I have got with an API results or with an email also. That's it. So you can try with your own, like uh, your targeted domain. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.